Hello again, it's Miss Baracos with you on Friday, talking to you about landforms again. We're learning about mountains and valleys and coasts. And just a reminder, a landform is a physical feature on the earth. So click here for the instructions for the rest of the presentation. If you click right here, you're going to watch a little episode to learn about landforms, a little bit more information for you. And it's called Landforms. Hey, so go ahead and watch that and we'll be right back. Okay, hopefully you had a couple minutes to watch that video. I'm just going to review with you a couple of the details for our different landforms. Remember a mountain. I show a mountain like this, pointing my fingers out kind of like a triangle. Is a landform that rises above the surrounding area and it's higher than a hill. Our next landform is going to be the desert. And like I said, it's very hot in the desert. You might want to fan yourself because it's very hot and it's very dry. I don't think I would want to live in the desert. Would you? A valley is a low area between hills or mountains, and it's often formed by a river or a stream going down the middle of it. And if you remember, I show a valley by making a big V. So you could do that with your arms too. And our next one is the coast. And if you remember, the coast is where the water meets the land, like a beach. Since it's Friday, we're going to play a little game. I love to play fun games like memory or concentration. What you're going to do is you're going to find this page in your packet, and you're going to cut out all of the squares. So you have one is the definition, one is the actual name of the landform, and then you have two pictures. So once you cut them out, you're going to flip them all picture side, word side down, and then you're going to play either memory or concentration. So what you can do is flip over two, and if you make a match, that's great. You can do a picture to the landform, picture to definition. So you have 2, 3, 4 ways that you can make a match. And then whoever has the most matches at the end wins. Have fun!